Kidogo. Kidogo, Kidogo. Kujapak, Kidogo, Asante, Kwaheri, Muzuri sana, bari yako. Poa. You know all Asians talk in the same accent.
Yeah, I know.
My name is Nilofer Khan, and I am a radio presenter with East FM Kenya, that is Radio Africa. I do the primetime drive show and I do the Sunday morning show as well. Plus, I am a social media person like marketing, digital marketing, influencing, and I'm an actor as well. And I'm really proud and very blessed to be here today because it's a grand opening of China Village today, and it feels good. It feels good when all the communities and the culture come together. So I was invited for the opening to come and cover the opening and the mall and everything. So yeah, it's a great opportunity and I feel blessed overall. Yeah.
So you're part of the influencers?
Yes, I am. In fact, I'm the only Asian influencer here today to cover the event. So yeah, it feels good. I'm actually feeling really honored. And I have no words to describe how amazing I'm feeling to be part of this beautiful moment, you know? Yeah.
You just mentioned you're an actress.
Yes.
How is the feeling being an actress and how has it been so far?
So I'm actually from Mumbai, India. I'm born and brought up there. So I was acting there for a long time. I used to do television, movies, theatre. So when I moved to Kenya, I have been doing more of theatre here, but I've done video albums, I've done series. So it feels good. It's a different vibe. It's not easy as it looks on screen, but it's fun. Yeah.
It's fun.
Yeah.
And how is Kenya? You just mentioned of you are a radio presenter.
Yes.
And I'm like, here in Kenya?
Yes.
How has it been?
It's great. It's my 8th year with East FM, and before that I was with another radio station. So it's good. It's good. It keeps me going as an artist, I think, and connecting with the listeners on day-to-day basis, playing songs for them and vibing on the music. So yeah, it's wonderful. Yeah.
So maybe for someone who's watching you right now, just to convince them to come and shop here in China Village.
Yeah.
Just want them and why they should come and shop.
Oh my God, there is nothing like why they shouldn't, because the collection here, I am actually here for work today, but I can't wait to finish my work and go shop. First of all, today itself is 20% off, but the collection, I know there are many shops like this in Nairobi, but trust me, and I'm not even kidding, the stuff here is wonderful. It's good quality, great prices, so you can't miss this one. So we're shopping together. Done.
Maybe for someone who wants to find you on social media platforms,
Yes.
can you tell us your handle?
Yes, so my social media handles on all platforms, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, is simply Nilofer. Simply Nilofer. That's it. Nilofer. It means white lotus. Yeah. And what does your name mean? Yeah. What does it mean?
My name.
But it's cute and she looks lovely.
Maybe one more last thing. What
Yeah.
do you know about Kenya?
Everything. Oh my God. I think God plans life in such a way that He knows where you're supposed to be. So most important, we need to trust the timing of God, and He knows. I think I was meant to be here after so many years, and I absolutely love everything about Kenya, the culture, the people, the food. And now I'm a Kenyan, so there's no going back anywhere.
I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Trudy. You are wonderful. And thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Swahili?
Kidogo. Kidogo, Kidogo. Kujapak, Kidogo, Asante, Kwaheri, Muzuri sana, bari yako. Poa. You know all Asians talk in the same accent.
Yeah, I know.